How to work with proxies in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, proxies are lower resolution versions of your original video files that make editing smoother, especially when working with high resolution footage or on slower computers. To create proxies in DaVinci Resolve, start by importing your media into the media pool. Then, right-click on the clips you want to proxy and select Generate Proxy Media under Proxy Media. If you want to toggle between proxies and full resolution files, you can choose the proxy resolution by going to Project Settings. Click the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Under Master Settings, go to Optimized Media and Render Cache. There, look for Proxy Media Resolution. From the drop-down menu, select your preferred resolution. Here I am choosing quarter resolution. You can also choose the proxy media format based on your needs. It's best to pick a lightweight codec like ProRes Proxy or DNX HR LB. Once you have set these options, hit Save. DaVinci Resolve will generate proxy files based on your settings. During editing, the software will automatically switch to these proxies, allowing smoother playback and faster editing. When you are ready to export your final project, make sure to disable proxies so the export uses your original high-quality footage. And that's it. Now you know how to work with proxies in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.